I'm Jackie, on the road again with 360 Alberta. Crops are turning and combines are in the field. That means fall is quickly approaching. And that also means it's time for farmers markets to wind down, but you can still catch some over the next few weeks. I headed out on Tuesday night to South Cooking Lake. There's nothing better than meeting the vendors and hearing their stories.
My name is Wade. I'm owner of Pierogi. We have a small pierogi company. It's primarily organic. We have a certified organic farm where we grow our main ingredients: potatoes, cabbage, onions, and we have a certified kitchen out at our place. We have heritage pork, sauerkraut, portobello mushroom and onion, variety of fruit, a couple different vegan options that we offer. Our own farmer cheese, double smoked bacon, and cheddar cheese and potato. And we also make the large German style cabbage rolls.
Wow.
These are old night fixtures.
Oh, really?
Paint on the outside, so that's just plain glass on the inside. You can put whatever you want inside. These are actually paper. I don't have much of this out because it's too light, but this is from my coffee machine. K-cups. I like the coffee, I hate the waste. So this, just use it all bits and pieces. And then this is just because I like the shapes of it. This one you can use as a fountain. I have used this fountain, but again, it's too windy. Small bird baths. I do have some bigger bird baths, so I haven't put them out because of the wind. Again, now four colours or 4 people.
And this one would be a light fixture too?
These are all light fixtures.
Okay.
Yeah. Some of them, you can see they have the hole in the middle, and that's an aquarium safe silicone that holds it on. But again, they're all paint on the outside, so the inside's plain glass.
Okay, Adriana, and where are we? What are we seeing here?
So we are seeing sourdough loaves, 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and water. And I make it out of my home kitchen in Dutch ovens.
Wow,
Yeah.
and this is your 3rd time at the market here
My
in
third
South Cooking
time.
Lake.
Yeah, I live here in the community, so.
That is fantastic, and you're sold out tonight.
I'm sold out. Yeah, usually like I try to make it, so because we're on Tuesday, I try to make it Monday and Tuesday, and so my capacity is limited because I want the bread to be fresh for everyone, so I make about usually 11 to 13 loaves. Today I managed to make 16, which was like crazy, but it was worth it, yeah.
So I'm Jackie, on the road again with 360 Alberta, and I just love visiting the farmers markets and getting to know the vendors there. I hope you are able to take some time and do just that in the next few weeks. Catch you next time.